first day on earth, I fell into your eyes. Look at how our galaxies collide. Every color of the spectrum, every star up in the sky, the planets aligned for you. And I've known you since the dawn of time, with twin flames burning bright. And I can't believe that I finally found you here. 'Cause nothing is better than you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun, lay here forever, you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. I just wanna stay until the morning sun.
But we did it all together, and I'm very grateful that you're all here to celebrate that. Maybe a little bit because of Christmas, but for sure that we are one company, one team, right?
Together for eternity. Oh, I've loved you since the dawn of time, with twin flames burning bright. And I can't believe that I finally found you here. 'Cause nothing is better than you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun, lay here forever, you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. You and I will be fine, we belong together. You and I will be fine, we belong together. You and I will be fine, we belong together. You and I will be fine, we belong together. Nothing is better than you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun, lay here forever, you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. 'Cause nothing is better than you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun, lay here forever, you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. My first day on earth, I fell into your eyes. Look at how our galaxies collide.